Today we're practicing waving hands like clouds, or cloud hands for short. First, let's open, shifting the weight, stepping out, centering, bottom heavy, top light. Inhale, float, exhale, sink. The hands float up, lifting water, and then back down. Like a wave, inhale up, exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale and float, exhale and sink. Inhale, exhale, effortless, no strength. We're just floating up like a wave is carrying them up and dropping them down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. The hands float up and leave them there. Hold a ball. Relax, soften. Rotate the hands, rotate the ball. Lower the ball. Rotate the ball to make sure that you've got your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. We're going to remain upright with the upper body, and we're going to just shift our weight to the left, back to center, and then to the right. Now smoothly from side to side, from left to right. Notice that the hands just come with the shifting motion. Let's stop in the center. And let's just turn the upper body. Just turn the torso. Turn to the left. Turn to the front. Turn to the right. And notice that the hands just come along as we turn to the left and turn to the right. Now let's shift and turn. Shifting weight, turning the torso, shifting, turning. Now turn the palm of the top hand, the left hand, turn it towards your face. Shift and turn. Now rotate the ball. This has the effect of the right hand comes up. Shift and turn, change. Shift and turn, change. Now this is kind of square. So let's concentrate more on shifting, turning, changing the hand. One floats up, one hand floats down. It's like we're holding the ball, except the hand, top hand, is facing the face, and we turn, it floats across the sky. Then the other hand has its turn, floating up like a cloud across the sky. As we turn to the right and turn to the left, one hand floats up across the sky, the other one just follows, dipping into the water. Inhale. Exhale. Relax more and let these circles develop. Each hand is circling. And when they're changing, one hand up, one hand down, we get to this point here where they're pointed in the same direction. One moment in the arc of their circle, then back here again. Waving hands like clouds. Cross, separate, sync. Let's work our way into cloud hands a different way. Shifting to the right, shifting to the left. Let the left hand come up and across. This is the top hand floating across the sky. Left hand up and over. It's just making a circle. We get in the corner, the other hand floats up across the sky, circling as we shift our weight and turn our waist. Now let's get them both going. One hand up, one hand down, changing, circling. One hand up, one hand down, shifting, turning, waving our hands like clouds. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Conserve your energy, relax and flow, and slow down. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Waving hands like clouds. Cloud hands. Leave the right hand here. Left hand circles up, crossing at the wrist. Separate the hands at shoulder level. Let the palms float down. And let the palms float up, gathering chi. Inhale, up. Exhale and relax down. Cool down as we inhale and relax from head to toe. Closing your eyes if you feel safe. Let the arms float down. Open your eyes if they're closed. Get accustomed to your environment. Return to all your senses. Shift your weight to the right, fully. Bring in the empty left and down. Shift weight at 50-50. Up. Thank you for joining me.